Hello everyone. Our task in this question is to find the displacement, velocity and acceleration when the time, that's t, time taken is equals to 0. Now we are given the displacement function equation. So what I will do first is, now in this equation, okay, I'm going to expand the right hand side. Okay, I'm going to expand the right hand side. Solution. Now we're given x equals to the product of t parenthesis t minus 2 parenthesis t minus 5. So if we expand the right hand side, this will be t multiplied by t. This will be t squared. T multiplied by negative 2. That will be minus 2t. Then I'll again use this to expand parenthesis t minus 5 so that x will be equals to t squared multiplied by t. That will be t cubed. T squared multiplied by minus 5. This will be minus 5t squared. Negative 2t multiplied by t. That will be negative 2t squared. Minus 2t multiplied by minus 5. This will be plus 10t. Okay, so that x, which is the displacement function equation, will be x equals to t raised to the power of 3 minus 7t raised to the power of 2 plus 10t. So this is the displacement function equation. Now, the first question asked is to find the displacement when the time is equals to 0. So which means at t equals to 0, we're going to have this. T of x of 0 will be 0 cubed minus 7 multiplied by 0 squared plus 10 multiplied by 0. So that the displacement function at t, that's the displacement when time is equals to 0, will be 0. So therefore, the displacement is equals to 0. Now the second question, okay? The second question. Now we're asked to find velocity and acceleration, that's velocity when t is equals to 0. Now, to find velocity, okay? Now, this is what we're going to do. Now, because velocity measures rate of change of displacement, so which means we're going to find the first derivative of this function, that is the displacement function. So when we're done, doing that, then we can now substitute the value of time t, which is what? 0. Okay, and when we do that, the velocity will be found. All right, so now because we have that velocity is equals to first derivative of displacement with respect to time. Okay, so that means I'm going to differentiate this function. Okay, so which means that velocity will be equals to, I'm going to differentiate this function, that is t cubed minus 7t squared plus 10t with respect to t, so that v will be equals to 3t squared minus 14t then plus 10. So now at t equals to 0, okay, at t equals to 0, this will be, the velocity will be equals to 3 multiplied by 0 squared minus 14 times 0 plus 10. Therefore, the velocity will be equals to 10 meters per second. That's the velocity when the time is equals to 0. When the time is equals to 0. All right. So now, the third question is to find acceleration. To find acceleration. Okay, to find acceleration. That's A. And because we know that acceleration measures the rate of change of velocity. So this equation for velocity, that's the velocity function. I'm going to what? I'm going to differentiate v, the velocity equation, with respect to time t, and that's acceleration. So since acceleration, okay, is equals to first derivative of velocity with respect to time, so it means that we need to first find the acceleration function, okay, and that is, we're going to differentiate with respect to t the velocity function equation, and that will be 3 t squared minus 14t plus 10. So differentiating this, we're going to have the acceleration to be 6t minus 14. So this is the acceleration function. This is the acceleration function. That is acceleration as a function of time t. Okay, this is the acceleration function as a function of time t. Now this is the velocity as a function of time t. So this is the velocity function. Velocity function. Velocity function. Okay, then this is the displacement function. This is the displacement function. This is the displacement function. Displacement function. So from here, we then have that when t is equals to 0, what will be the acceleration? So this, which means this will be a of 0 equals to 6 multiplied by 0, then minus 14. So acceleration will now be equals to 0 minus 14. Then the acceleration is equals to minus 14 meters per second squared. And that is negative acceleration, also known as deceleration. The noblest pleasure is the joy of understanding. Bye-bye.